G'day folks, welcome to the show. Tonight's episode, we're attending Tasmania's leg of the Black Dog Ride. So we're just heading down to Campbelltown. I think we're leaving from there, heading through to Scamander is the plan of the day. So grab a bevy, kick back and enjoy the show. Let's go! So on today's ride we're hoping to catch up with Michael and Lisa White from That Harley Couple. They're in Tassie. They're planning to come up from Hobart, but with the roadworks and everything else on, we'll cross our fingers and hope we do, and go from there. And I'll put That Harley Couple's link in the description below. Go and check them out, because I'm sure if they're here, they're going to be vlogging, not just today, but probably their trip around Tassie. It might be worthwhile. I know I get quite excited to watch other people's perspective of our beautiful state. So please go and check them out. If you like their stuff and you're going to subscribe, let them know Big Bert sent you. Alright. Have a look at this bloke here in his lipstick pink road glide. Check him out. Who's this bloke here? Mr. White.
How are you, mate?
Good to see you.
How are you?
Hello.
How are you?
Yeah, good, thank you. How are you?
Yeah.
Mate.
Thank you very much. I mean, the support we're getting is incredible, and we appreciate it. And we, nothing more so than new people that have come out today. We're all here for the same reason, and so I want to say thank you to you too.
Right. Yeah. Alright, we'll try and follow Whitey out, see if we can stick with him, see how we go. Not convinced we'll end up there, but you never know, you're luck in the big city. Okay, here we go. Here we go, we've managed to get Whitey back on. We're rock and rolling. Let's go. The plan for the ride today is to head down through the Fingal Valley, down St Mary's Pass and into Scamander. We'll see how that goes. Not one of the most exciting rides in my book, but a ride's a ride. We're out on the bike on a Sunday and catching up with friends, so that's got to be a good thing. Oh, nice. folks, we're just about to head down St Mary's Pass. And looks as though we're going to be riding into the rain, which is a bit of a bugger. But anyway, it is what it is. But we'll go nice and steady either way. We've got a trail of bikes behind us. Be interesting to see whether we catch up to anyone up in front of this pack. Because everybody wants a free bit of road down this next stretch. Guarantee you that. Oh, she's cooling down. She's cooling down. Anyway, let's get into this pass. Oh, you are kidding. 60 k's? Give me a break. Hopefully you can see. And we're on the coast. Woo. Another great little icon ride here in Tassie. Hey, how you going?
Going once, going twice, nothing further, nothing more. You out, come out, you're out, everyone out. So, those that don't know, this is Anna, and this is Anna's property that we're on. So Anna has opened the gates for us to be able to come here this afternoon, have the food trucks, coffee, and hasn't charged. She's done it out of the goodness of the heart. And there's a story to go with it. So first of all, I really want to say thank you. Thank you very much. We do appreciate it. It's a great location. It's brilliant. Spot on for what we want. So, pay your cards right, we'll be back next year. Yeah. And just before I hand it over to Anna, Greg, who just won the auction, is going to donate that to Anna to put in here to say thank you. Greg, it's not true what they say, Greg. You're a good man.
Here today, the organiser of Tasmanian Black Dog Ride, mate, great turnout.
Awesome turnout. Yeah, very, very happy with it.
I'm going to let Whitey do the interview with the guy from the Black Dog. I've had some dealings in that space with a friend of mine very recently, and it's a little bit raw for me to be talking about. So with Whitey's blessing, thanks Whitey. Cheers, mate. Okay, so that's the Black Dog run and won. A great day. With a bonus track, I got to catch up with the Whites from That Harley Couple, and I'll put their link in the description, so go over and check those guys out. A couple of Victorians over here touring around Tasmania. Enjoy your stay. Let us know if you've got any questions or dramas while you're here, guys. And I'm just going to feed them off. They're heading back to Hobart, so we'll run them down the coast and I'll point them in the right direction, and then I'll make my way off home back to the north of the state. And looks like we might get wet heading back up over the hill again, but that's okay. It's only a little bit of rain. Alright guys, here's your turn off. Safe travels, people. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's go.